let's talk about competition. So you gave this example of a hand juicer. Fine. I figure out that there's a huge demand of this and I research and I'm like, great, I get something created. But now I'm new. I don't have any reviews right now. I don't have any ratings or nothing. So why would someone order from me? So how do you deal with that?
Yes, that is what I mentioned previously, that we try to give customers something different which enhances their experience. So that
Yeah.
is in case if your product makes a difference, only in case of its attractiveness or looks, on Amazon people are going to buy. I know about Amazon, people are going to buy.
Okay.
But if you give the same product, like
Yeah.
there are hundreds of listing and this all of them are same different titles but same product, same images, customers are not going to buy. You need to definitely look for the competition if you're going to do such kind of business.
Got
But
that.
then if you're innovating the product and if you're launching something new, putting your branding, giving it a lavish attractiveness, designing and then printing your own boxes and do all this kind of stuff, customers are definitely going to pay you more than what others are charging, and also you can outbid the competition in that way.
That makes sense. Yeah. So what you've shared is pure gold. Like that's what really works. That's what separates dropshippers or, anyone else from people running brands. Because, everyone's heard this, that a jeans that's made in a factory, which costs someone to sell for 500 rupees in some local market, and then you add Levi's sticker to it or Levi's branding to it, the same jeans sells for 3,000 bucks. Because
Yeah.
there's a brand that they've created, their packaging, their marketing, their branding, their tonality, their messaging. That's what really makes a difference. And I absolutely agree with you. I'll share something. So I was looking for a wireless charger on Amazon, and there were a lot of them. So but then there was this one wireless charger that stood out for me. The only difference was that instead of showing that notification light at one spot, the notification light was all throughout the ring. So it looked really beautiful, and this was the only reason I ordered it. Everything else was the same. So I can really relate to what you're sharing, that ठीक है, you make little adjustments and you make it happen. So ठीक है.